Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's dive into our word of the day, a term that's essential for describing precision and correctness. Accuracy. Accuracy is a noun, and it means the quality of being correct or exact. We use accuracy when we want to emphasize that something is precise, reliable, or hits the mark without mistakes. Let's break it down with some synonyms. Words similar to accuracy include precision, correctness, and exactness. Imagine you're at a sports event and the announcer says, "The archer shot with great precision." Here, precision can easily be swapped with accuracy to mean that the archer hit their target right on point. Or let's say a chef is praised for the correctness of their recipe measurements. That correctness shows they've cooked with accuracy, creating a perfectly balanced dish. Another one, if a scientist records data with exactness, they ensure accuracy in their research. Now, let's explore some antonyms to help understand accuracy even better. Opposites of accuracy include inaccuracy, imprecision, and incorrectness. Imagine someone guessing an answer on a quiz with inaccuracy. Here, there's a lack of accuracy because their answer isn't correct or exact. If a weather forecast is known for its imprecision, people might not rely on it, as it lacks accuracy. Or, let's say a news article is full of incorrectness. That incorrectness shows that the article isn't trustworthy in terms of accuracy. So, where do we use accuracy in everyday life? Well, it's everywhere. Think about measuring ingredients for a recipe, where accuracy matters to get the flavor just right. In sports, athletes train for accuracy in every movement, aiming to perform precisely. At work, professionals like accountants or engineers need a high level of accuracy in their calculations to avoid errors. In conversations, we might say, "Her accuracy in predicting the trends is impressive," or "the accuracy of this watch makes it highly reliable." Let's look at a few more sentence examples to see how this word fits in. The accuracy of his report helped the team understand the issue better. When shooting a bow, accuracy is essential for hitting the target. The accuracy of the test results gave the doctor confidence in the diagnosis. All right, that's a wrap on accuracy. To sum it up, accuracy means the quality of being correct or exact, and it's something we aim for in all kinds of tasks, from sports to science to everyday work. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover our show. And here's a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using accuracy and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with.